welcome to my YouTube channel Parena. This is my present page for identity operators. We will learn about every operators used in Python. So now in this video we will learn the last operator of Python, that is membership operator. So we will create a new page over here, new page tuteng12.py and open. Okay, now we'll close this one to eng11.py and we'll name this as a heading membership operator. Membership operator. Okay, we got to know with this heading that we are going to learn about membership operator. That's not necessary, you can write without this also, but we can write it. So now what does the membership means? Membership means if you are watching some web series or something in Amazon Prime, so you are a member of a Amazon Prime. So how anybody can consider that you are a member? Because you have paid for that, you have paid for Netflix or something over else, that you are a candidate who is a member in Amazon Prime. Same condition is following over here also. We are considering a list and a particular item or something over else, any of the data, any of the dictionary or something over there, and we are considering a certain item, that is that item a member of that dictionary, is that item is a member of that particular list. So we are going to consider these all topics in this one in membership operators. So first of all we will consider a variable for a list. So x is equals to some list. We will define a list in x variable. So open and close big brackets and double quotes. We will give some names over here, toy comma double quotes car. Okay, oh sorry for that, some problem over here. Okay, next line. Now we have defined a list name to be as x, means its a variable is x. Now what we will do over here to check that it is a member of that particular list, we will write over here print open and close small brackets and double quotes toy in x. What does it means? We are considering an item name. What does the item name? Item name is toy. That is toy available in x list. So now what will be the output over here? You will see it over here. Run Python file. Okay, we got the output true. How we got the output true? Because we are seeing over here that toy is available in the x list, so it gave the output as a boolean that it is true. Now the second condition is not in x, so I will copy the same thing. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Okay, now we are considering this item, same item over here, and now we will do it like this: print toy not in x. So we will write over here not in x, and now again we will run this Python file. When this Python file will give output, the second answer will be false, because we are seeing over here that toy is available in this list. So how it can give to a true answer? So it's giving the answer as a false, because toy is already available in x list. Okay, now how to make the second output as true? We don't want the false answer for the second printout, means print toy not in x. So we will write over here toy1, and we can see clearly over here in the list that there is none of the items whose name to be as toy1. So what will be the output over here? Run Python file, and we got the output as true for both the conditions, because toy is available in x and toy1 is not available in x. So you can understand over here that how we can consider or how we can check that is that particular item is available or a member of certain list, dictionary or some database. Okay, so for knowing that how is that item available, or let us assume that we got a list of students, and to check that this student is but if this child is particular student for my school only, then how to check over there? We can check by this condition. Okay, So be in my channel. We got to learn everything about the operators in Python. We got about to learn about the list tuples and everything. Now in the next videos we will learn about many more things about Python and list tuples and how to operate with all those things, how to make loops. So be in my YouTube channel, Parena. Access my Python playlist. Okay, bye. Thank you.